Good morning, Foundations of Personal Fitness. Today is Monday, 8/24, and I just want to reiterate with you exactly what you're supposed to be doing today, this week, what you're supposed to be finishing up. Some of you have already done that, and I've noticed that you've finished up on the discussion board as well. I'll remind you of what needs to get done when it comes to those. But yeah, let's go ahead and begin. So the last time I was with you, you should have been working towards getting done the gym safety and injury prevention. All right. Now, understanding you still have till this coming Monday, not today, but the next Monday, to finish the gym safety and injury prevention. Remember, all of these modules individually need to be done. I'm pretty sure it has to be done synchronously through all these. Remember, whenever you get done with it, in the top right-hand corner, so I'll kind of just give you an idea. In the top right-hand corner, when you get done, somewhere on your screen, it should say submit or something of that sort, Now, let's make sure we get all of these done, which some of you have. I think there's maybe 2 of you in the class that have gotten them done. And then once you're done with those, you're going to go back to your discussion board and you're going to complete barriers to exercise and your brain. Once you select the discussion, you'll see one of the questions is discuss what may be a physical or mental barrier to exercise. And of course, your response should be at least 1 paragraph. And make sure it actually is 1 paragraph. I know I've looked through some of them already, and it's not necessarily meeting that requirement, and that will reflect in your grade. And your second one is exercise in your brain. Discuss the mental benefits of exercising. Response should be at least 1 paragraph and based on the information you have learned. All right, let's make sure again, 1 paragraph. Let's get that done. That is the requirement. Remember, a paragraph can be 2 to 3 sentences. It doesn't necessarily have to be something you extend out, 6 to 7 sentences. That's a little bit longer than a paragraph. So once you have completed the discussions and the modules that need to get done, I will see you next Monday in the Zoom room. Now, in saying that, I will be available throughout your whole entire class period in the Zoom room. All you have to do is get on there, and if you want to talk or you have any questions, just ask. Remember, not every one of these has an assignment, but all you have to do is mark it as done. Some of them do have it where you need to submit, and some of you have figured that portion out. If you're having complications on figuring it out, please you can check help through Canvas, and they'll tell you how to turn some things in, or you can reach out to me and I can try to help you through the process. Great. So if you need any help accessing Canvas and this is your first time in the Foundations of Personal Fitness, just let me know through email, or you can access the Zoom room and announce yourself, and I will try to answer any questions you might have about the class. If you're coming for an individual team and sports, that's just another class that's a part of the physical education department. We'll try to transfer you over as easily as possible. If you have any questions, please just let me know, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you.